Hi, I'm Liz from Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper. Our mission is to protect and restore our waters and surrounding ecosystems for the benefit of future and current generations. Here in Western New York, we are so lucky to have ample freshwater resources. From the Great Lakes to small tributaries and ponds, we all need to do our part to be waterway protectors. Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper engages in large-scale projects and shoreline restorations to work on our waterways and ensure their health and protection. However, there are many small ways that individuals and homeowners can do their part as well. Today, I'm going to outline 2 ways that homeowners can help protect our local waterways. By disconnecting your home's downspout, or if possible, installing a rain barrel, you can help protect our local waterways. When it rains, the water will run over the Earth's surface, carrying with it sediment, debris, and other pollutants. This water will run off towards low points on the Earth's surface. This is sometimes a local waterway, like a stream, or sometimes a storm drain. This is what we call stormwater runoff. Stormwater runoff can also come from your home's property. Think about when it rains and falls on a driveway or a sidewalk. That water will run off somewhere, most likely into your lawn or into the street towards the storm drain. When it rains on top of your house, the water will hit your roof and flow towards the gutters and eventually down the downspout. Often, these downspouts are connected to a pipe underground that leads to your municipality's sewage line. Depending on your area, you may be connected to a combined sewer system or a separate sewer system. In separate systems, the wastewater from your homes will go directly to the treatment plant. Stormwater from roads and from your home's downspouts will be discharged directly into local waterways, often untreated. In combined systems, the stormwater will go into the same underground infrastructure as the sewage from your homes and local businesses. During dry weather events, all of this water will go directly to the treatment plant. However, in heavy rain events, the system underground is often overwhelmed, and by design, this water will overflow into local waterways, often bringing untreated sewage and other stormwater debris. As you can see, the rainwater from your home can make an impact on local waterways. Now add up all the homes on your block, in your whole town. That's a big impact on our local waterways. First, get familiar with your home's downspouts. Are they connected into the sewage system? If so, you can consider disconnecting them. This means you will be directing the water into your lawn or garden and allowing it to soak into the ground. There are many attachments available to direct the water further away from your home. Inspect during a rainfall to ensure the rainwater is staying on your property and not flowing into the street and down into a storm drain. Disconnecting your downspout is an inexpensive way to control the stormwater runoff from leaving your property and entering the stormwater system. Note, if you are not the homeowner, you will need permission to modify your downspout. Another option is installing a rain barrel. This allows you to collect the rainwater to use later on. By collecting rainwater, you can save money on your water bill and decrease pollution. Let's learn more. You can use rainwater in place of tap water for watering indoor and outdoor plants, cleaning off tools, or other outdoor chores. Rainwater is also free of fluoride and chlorine, so your plants will enjoy it. A rain barrel may help you with your garden, but also helps reduce the flow of stormwater runoff protecting local waterways. There are different types of rain barrels. Ones that you can purchase that come equipped with all the pieces you would need, or there are ways to make your own rain barrel. If you are constructing your own rain barrel, be sure to learn what the barrel was used for before you use it to store water. Rain barrels sold by Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper hold 60 gallons of water. They come with mesh that will be placed underneath the lid towards the top, which helps prevent debris from entering the barrel and will keep insects out from laying eggs. It also comes with a spigot to be used at the bottom. For mine, I use it to fill up my watering can. You can often attach a hose to this spigot. The barrels also come with an overflow valve, which will be placed towards the top of the barrel. If the barrel fills up during a heavy rain, water will come out of this overflow valve. I have attached a soaker hose to mine to direct the water towards nearby plantings. One additional piece you will need is a diverter. This will direct the water from the path of the downspout into your barrel. Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper sells two different types of diverters. There's a small diverter and a large diverter. The small diverter fits most residential downspouts that are up to 3.5 inches wide. To install a diverter, like the ones sold by Buffalo Niagara Waterkeeper, you will need to cut through your downspout. To do so, you can use a hacksaw, reciprocating saw, or tin snips. Once you determine the location for your rain barrel, you will need to modify the downspout. Before you cut the downspout, ensure that your rain barrel is in the proper location. Do you have it up on cinder blocks? Do you plan to build a wooden platform to elevate it? I have mine on cinder blocks so that I can easily fit my watering can under my spigot. Be sure to place your rain barrel in its final location before measuring and cutting your downspout. Before cutting your downspout, it's helpful to draw yourself some guidelines. The top of the downspout will fit inside of the diverter. The bottom section of the diverter will fit inside of your downspout. You can see that in the video here. You will cut out a smaller section of downspout than the entire length of the diverter. There are small tabs with screw holes to attach to your downspout to keep the diverter snug. It is important to remember that during heavy rain, your rain barrel may fill up and water will start to gush from the overflow valve. It's good practice to attach a hose to the overflow and direct it away from your home or foundation. After large rains, inspect your rain barrel for debris that may have washed in from your roof. Having mosquito mesh underneath your lid helps to trap that debris from getting into your barrel. It is also good practice to drain your barrel once a month to prevent any algae from growing inside. Remember, your barrel is very heavy, so using a hose for this step will be very helpful. Before winter and freezing temperatures begin, be sure to empty your barrel and move indoors if your space allows. If you have to store outdoors, store your barrel upside down and put a small weight on top of it. You do not want to let water get into the barrel and freeze. The water will freeze, expand, and crack your barrel. Close the diverter for the winter. Reinstall your barrel come next spring when temperatures warm up.